you upcyclers out there. I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making magazine art journals. And we're using our gel press, and I'm gonna show you how to make stencils out of old salad containers. Yup, salad containers. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just wanna say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some magazine art journals. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to all the products I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.